In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Venmo and then send it to another wallet. Venmo makes it really simple to purchase Bitcoin inside the app, and they now let you transfer it out to an external wallet as well. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Venmo app and log into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Crypto. From there, choose Bitcoin from the list of supported cryptocurrencies. Tap Buy, enter the amount you want, review your order, and confirm. Once that's done, your Bitcoin will appear in your Venmo balance under the Crypto section. Now, if you want to send it to another wallet, go back into your Bitcoin section and tap Transfer or Send. Venmo will ask if you want to send to another Venmo user or to an external wallet. Choose the External Wallet option. Here's where you'll need the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. Paste it in carefully because Bitcoin transfers are permanent and can't be reversed if you make a mistake. Enter the amount you want to send, double-check the details, and then confirm the transaction. It might take a few minutes depending on network traffic, but once it goes through, the Bitcoin will show up in the external wallet you sent it to. Just remember, Venmo charges a network fee for these transfers, so always check the fee before confirming. And that's it. That's how you buy Bitcoin on Venmo and send it to another wallet. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.